Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle saddlebags on Amazon. With the right luggage, you will have no problem packing gear for a weekend away or for a much longer adventure. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Nelson Rig Yellow Black Sierra Dry Saddlebags. These 100% waterproof saddlebags are available in black or black yellow and are designed for motorcycles, personal watercraft, and snowmobiles. They have a universal fit with heat-welded seams and a UV coating that makes them easy to clean. The mounting hardware is made of aircraft-grade aluminum. If you're looking for high-quality, heavy-duty bags, then these are the ones to get. They hold 7 gallons per side and securely mount your bike with 4 quick-release buckles and double pull straps. They include lightweight liners, which makes it easy to remove and pack items in the bag. However, the straps may break over a short period of use, and it's not easy to fasten and unfasten them quickly. The 4 straps have to be repositioned every time you put something in the bags and then retightened, which is hard to do in the dark. The bags are also very expensive. Number 2. Wild Heart Waterproof Bag Motorcycle Saddlebag. The Wild Heart Waterproof Bag Motorcycle Saddlebags are a great option if you're looking for a waterproof storage option. They have a rolling closure, just roll the top, and no water can get in, and are designed to keep your belongings dry in heavy rain. They have a 50-liter capacity, 25 liters each. We like the multi-adjustment design that allows you to adapt the length and distance between the bags. You can also use them separately. You can make these bags more compact by using the included belt. They have a non-slip foam piece that prevents friction between the bag and your bike. Available in black or yellow, these bags are reflective, so you can see them at night. Users report that the straps are very secure and don't loosen up. They hold a lot of gear, and they're easy to put on and take off your bike. Unfortunately, you can't lock these bags, so your belongings are not completely secure from thieves. Also, on some bikes, you need to make sure the bags are full so they don't bounce and rub against the rear tire. Number 3. Kemomoto 30L Large Motorcycle Saddlebags. The Kemomoto motorcycle saddlebags boast a sleek and modern design that seamlessly complements the aesthetics of various motorcycle models. Crafted with high-quality pool leather, these bags are not only visually appealing but also incredibly durable. The robust construction ensures long-lasting performance, making them suitable for both everyday use and adventurous rides. With a generous 30L capacity, these saddlebags offer ample room to store essentials for your motorcycle journeys. Whether you need to carry extra clothing, tools, snacks, or other personal belongings, the Kemomoto saddlebags can accommodate them all. This large capacity ensures that you won't have to compromise on your riding experience by leaving necessary items behind. Installing the Kemomoto motorcycle saddlebags is a breeze, even for those who are not mechanically inclined. The bags come with a comprehensive installation manual, guiding you through each step of the process. Number 4. Kemomoto Synthetic Leather Motorcycle Saddlebags. If you ride a Harley-Davidson, Honda, Kawasaki or other cruiser motorcycle, you may like the Kemomoto motorcycle saddlebags. They fit a wide range of models, including Sporters, Softails, Dynas, V-Stars, Shadow, and Vulcans. The bags are black with white stitching and are made of durable synthetic leather that is water-resistant. These bags feature a pin buckle and quick-release buckle and are large enough to accommodate a variety of items, such as a jacket, gloves, wallet, and earphones. One of the best features of the bags is that they are designed to keep their shape and won't sag when they're empty. Users report that they're easy to install, easy to open, and a good size overall. However, these bags are real leather, and you can't lock them, so your belongings may be at risk of being stolen. Also, they're not a universal fit, so they don't fit all types of bikes. Number 5. Stansport Saddle Bag. These saddlebags are made of heavy-duty cotton duck canvas and vinyl. They feature 2 large pockets with double-strapped flap covers, and stress points are reinforced to increase durability. They're designed for motorcycles as well as scooters and bicycles. The canvas feels very rugged and they are sturdily constructed. The bags are great for the price and they drape very nicely over a pillion saddle. They're just large enough to hold a small amount of groceries and even a spare motorcycle jacket. Also, you may need to modify them a little so they sit correctly on your bike, particularly at highway speeds. In addition, they aren't made to carry heavy objects without underlying support. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.